Before I share the Bitcoin market analysis, you should watch this first. Now, why I am showing this one? Because this is the analysis which I have shared in my YouTube channel, and I will be covering after the things which happened so far. So let's start with the analysis. And this analysis which I have shared is, in the trading view is on the 1 hour time frame, but my analysis has to do with multi-time frame analysis for this is 4 hour. Let me just highlight it. This is 4 hour, this is 1 hour, this is 15 minute, and this is 5 minute. So that replay, uh, which you guys have noticed, this was in 1 hour time frame. Price was trading here. Oh, it's not possible. Price was trading here, and just a quick brief overview. I mentioned, if price has to go for the upside, if the likelihood for going upside is only in the case when price break through this resistance, 1 hour resistance, and keep on trading above this level. And if price sustained above this level after breaking through this level, then only we can think of, or the Bitcoin has a chances of going for these two resistance. But and after a while we seen resistance here. The 1 hour resistance is working pretty well here, and then based of that we have seen this sharp, not a very sharp fall, but gradual fall for the downside. And in the downside, I have marked this 1 hour support. Let's cover it here, and then we will see what is the possible thing which the BTC will going to do after these the fall. So now I am in a 1 hour time frame. So this is one of the levels which I have marked, and this level has to do with the support. uh, Important thing about this level is price did get a support here. If we take a look, the closing of this 1 hour candle here is above this level, but the next but the next candle, it break through the level, and this is one of the first indication where we should be very careful about the level. I mean, for the for the price for the BTC to, and ideally we supposed to be observing. And here, after breaking this level in this candle, the next candle is, I think, very maybe it's more of a like a liquidity grab or something like that. I don't know those things, but we can see we are observing this big bullish candle. Now, on the basis of this support, people might be thinking, this is now in the support area, and then we should be going for the for the up long sort of a position. And I think here, after this candle, I mean, there were some sort of a consolidation, and there were these consolidation which was happening above this level. And I mean, this also confirms to some extent, okay, now the price is already breaking through, break through this support in this specific candle, then the chances of going for this is higher. But after a while, what happened here in this BTC was, in this candle, it was kind of a huge blow in, I don't know, in some of the traders account, or maybe possibly for some good traders who might have captured a move. And now what where we are is at this this area where this the thing which is happening here. So what I'm going to do in this video is going to cover the possible things which BTC is going to do. So for that, I'm gonna cover the analysis in 4 hour time frame specifically, because lower time frame doesn't have that much weightage. It always has to do with the higher time frame. So let's do the analysis, and then see what the BTC can do in the future, in coming, by the end of the day, or tomorrow, maybe by day after tomorrow. So what one of the most important level in this 4 hour time frame, uh, is this level, this golden line, 63.666 level. Here the important thing is, price closed above, in this previous day candle we can see the closing is above this what level, 63.666. Now this is kind of looks similar to 1 hour time frame price break through this level. All right, we can see price I mean it's not completed yet. Oh yeah, 4 hour time frame, right? Yeah, in a 4 hour time frame the candle is about to close in 39 minutes. So if price closed below this level, which is currently happening, then it is one of the initial bearish kind of a sign, bearish view, which I am thinking of. But to be a very confirmed one, kind of a the bearish confirmation. Now I switched to the daily time frame. Here the important thing about this level is this daily candle which is currently forming. Okay, it should not close below this level. It shouldn't be closing below this level, 63.666. So I think the whole day what the BTC will try to do is to closed above this level. So this is what's going to happen in the lower time frame. And if this candle which is forming right now today, if it closed below this level, if it closed below, then this is going to be the first sign, bearish sign. Because if the candle closed below this 63.666 level, then the likelihood of price going for this level is going to be very high. This level, which is 62.503.9. I mean, these levels are not very precise level where price will go, but it's on the basis of my analysis, this is what I have. Okay, and then price after the price closing below this level, the chances of going for this is going to be very likely. And then here possibly there will be some sort of a consolidation in a sense. Price will try to reclaim or retest this same level, this level again, this level. And during this attempt, either price may reach up to this level to to reclaim it or closed above it, or there will be a rejection, not even specifically this level. There are some other level which will be there in 15 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, which will act a kind of a major catalyst for price to go to get support here, to take some sort of a support. And during this attempt, the likelihood is in the bearish scenario is going to be high, because price, like I said, in this level, this has to do with the sign. This is one of the first sign, because if the candle of the daily candle closed below this level, then that itself indicates there is some sort of a bearish sentiment or bearish move which is cooking up there. And then eventually what I can think is, the price of this BTC will, I now switch to 4 hour time frame. I only switch to daily to just to highlight this level 63.66, the importance of the level in the daily time frame and the closing of the candle in daily time frame. Now in this 4 hour time frame, the whole thing has to do with, after the the closing of the daily candle below this level, the whole thing has to do with, the consolidation inside this level. Okay, and this consolidation either to break this level 63.666 to reclaim and then keep on trading above this level, as long as BTC And after reclaiming this level and keep on trading above this level, then only the chances of bull or the upside is there. But as long as BTC is trading below this level, you know, by any given day or any given day, if candle even again closed below this level, then the chances of this level is very high. This 62.503, and in again, and one of the another level which I can think of or we have in the BTC is, let me just delete all this brush here. Okay, very good. Is this level. Let me see. This level. Okay, so let me just point out the levels here. This level, these two levels, and the current level is what is I mean, these three levels are very important level, and along with this level, this specific level. So in the downside, the low the BTC can make is 61.384.8. This is where the BTC most likely go for to make a new low. Okay, and in during this course, making the low, if I'm very going far into the future, but anyway, just to add more information here. This is the low, the possible low BTC will make 63,384.8. Again, the levels, the price are not very precise, but possibly might going to happen. That's what I'm trying to indicate here, pointing out these, the levels are not going to be accurate, but 63,384, and price has to reclaim, even if price, go below this level. From the downside, for the move for the upside, and that's what is the most likely thing going to happen with this BTC. Price will eventually go for this level, okay, this level, and then from here onwards, price there will be an attempt for the upside, and the attempt is to break this level, this previous high. So yeah, price has to trade above this level first of all, this level, for the move for the upside. If price keep in any given day, or that I will be covering in future videos, but if the price will be trading below this level, then the would be the second and the confirmed sort of a bearish sign. But the chances of that happening is very less, in my opinion, because there are other levels which is already there. I mean, in this analysis, let me just point out this level also, this one. Okay, I have already covered this, and this level in my other videos. So this is the other level which is also there to help out, the buyers will step in here. So yeah, that's the reason I think the BTC, I mean, even if the BTC will go for the downside in near few, I mean, in coming days or in this next month or coming week, then it will go for this level, specifically this level only. Okay, and this level is we can see here where the BTC try to reclaim this level multiple times, and then there are support here also. This indicates the confirmation for the upside, but from the lower side, the confirmation is from here, this level itself. If price keep on trading above this level, then the chances of going for the upside is very high, very high. I mean, that's not going to be in a quick sort of a way, but yeah. Uh, yeah, this is what I have to share, and I will cover other future videos in other videos, other analysis in future videos. So for those information, you can consider subscribing my channel and click the notification, and if you do like these sort of a content, the informative content, you can click the like button also. So yeah, and let me just end with a disclaimer. The things which I have talked about and I am talking about in my videos has nothing to do with any sort of a recommendation. Please do your research and review for your, for your analysis for your financial decision, and seek financial advice yourself. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now, and take care, and see you in the next video.